Nothing else matters, and in this video I will show you the first part of it. I did a lot of plucking, and I don't use a pick here at all, and we do everything with our fingers. So no pick here. We start out with this really famous open string pattern. We start with our thumb on the low E string, and the index finger goes to the G string, the middle finger goes to the B string, and the ring finger goes to the E string, and then back to B and to G. Okay? So thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. And from the top. And really get that thing going. The best thing would be that you can talk while you play that, like I do right now. And count to it. That makes it easier to really focus on the beat. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count out loud. That helps to really get it rhythmically right. 4, 5, 6. You do that 4 times in the intro. Within the 4th time, we go over to this. So I play the 4th time. And then we play 7th fret E string again here with the ring finger, and we plug the B and the E string, and then with the pinky into the 8th fret. And I plug this with the middle and the ring finger. Okay? And now we come to a very interesting part. We play again 7th fret E string, but only E string there. We do a hammer on in the 8th fret with the pinky, back to the 7th fret, and a pull off to the 5th fret. So. And then we do again 7th fret E string together with the open B string, and then index finger 5th fret E string together with the open B string, and we do a slide downwards. Let me play it from the top, from the 4th time of the intro. And then we play again the open E string, the high E string. So. And now we need to place our ring finger into the 5th fret of the G string and the pinky in the 5th fret of the B string. So after we played the open E string, we play again the open E string and the A string. And then G, B. And then index finger goes to the 2nd fret of the high E string and does a pull off there to the open string again. So. And then B and G string again. From the top. And again. A, G, B, E. A, G, B, E. And then we plug together. We leave the ring and the pinky where they are. We plug the A, G, B, and E string at once. After we did that, we place the index finger into the second fret of the A string and then into the third fret. We do this in this muted style. So not, but. So, until there. Okay. Again, from this uprising part, when you arrive there, you play the low E string, the A string, sorry. So, and then G, B, G. Play the third fret of the high E string with the index finger or the middle finger, whatever fits you. And then you go back over the B, G, and A string again. Sorry, at the very end you don't only play the A string, but you play again the A, G, B, and E string at once. And then you shift that up 2 frets, all the fingers. Same picking pattern there. So 4 strings, A, G, B, and E, and then A, G, B, G. Okay. And then you play the open E string, hammer on, and pull off from the 5th fret. Okay? Hammer on, pull off. Then 7th fret B string, pull off, to the open B string, open B string, hammer on 5th fret B string. Then you play the open E string again. We go back to our intro. This time we have a little fancy trick here. Over the G, B and E string. We place our index or whatever finger, doesn't matter, over the 12th fret, really literally over the 12th fret, but you don't push down the strings, you just barely touch them. So you create those nice notes here. On the way back you play again open strings. Then we go to the next part. But let me wrap up what we played so far. Till there, 4 times the intro. The 4th time slower. Again 4 times the whole thing. And then comes the next part. Okay, we start out with an E minor chord there. We have the index finger in the 7th fret of the A string, ring and pinky go into the 9th fret of the D and G string, and middle finger goes into the 8th fret of the B string. We start with a low open E string, and then A, D, G, B. And then we do this thing here, D major, 5th fret A string, and 7th fret D, G, and B string with a little, tiny little bar chord with my ring finger. We play A, D, and then G and B at once. We do the same thing 2 frets lower on the C. So it's E minor, D major, C major. Again, E minor, D major, C major. E minor, D major, C major, and then we go to G major, bar chord, index finger 3rd fret, E string, ring and pinky 5th fret, A and D string, middle finger 4th fret, G string, and the index finger also pushes down 3rd fret, B and E string, and we plug E, D, and G and B at once. Then we go to B major. It's the same shape as we had on the D and the C, but we are in the 2nd and 4th fret here. And then again, intro, open strings. Okay, again. So this was the first part of my Metallica Nothing Else Matters tutorial. If you like it, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and also make sure to check out in the video description my free lessons for guitar. No matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric guitar, there you will find a good basis to start out, a good basis to get along here on my channel or everywhere on YouTube or wherever in the world. I'm happy that you're here. Have fun with this